Hi guys, Joe here from TentBox, and today we're going to be showing you how to install your Classic 2.0 onto your vehicle, so you can go from this to this. The Classic is the easiest tent box to install, as it can be mounted directly to your roof bars from the box with no additional steps. You can get roof bars for almost any vehicle, and we sell a large selection on our website. If you need help with roof bars, please contact our friendly team. Inside the tent box you'll find the ladder, welcome kit, bar light and fixing kit. There is also a zip bag under the mattress with the porch poles inside. For the install, you'll just need the fixing kit. Lift the tent box onto your roof bars. Make sure that it is straight and the tailgate, if you have one, can still open. Then, drop each of the 8 bolts from the fixing kit into a slider, like shown, and slide them into the fixing rails underneath the tent, like this. You should slide all 8 bolts onto the rails and position them so that you have one hanging down on either side of the roof bars at 4 different points. Now, take the 4 U-clamps and tighten them to each of the connection points using the nuts and spanner provided. Tighten them to the point where you see a very slight bend in the U-clamp. Once finished, you should have 4 secure clamps attaching your TentBox Classic to the roof bars. Pop these plastic caps into the end of the rails. Give it a hard shove in each direction to make sure it is secure and you don't see any movement. It's literally as simple as that. Now put everything back inside, including the ladder, your pillows and sleeping bags, and you're ready to go tent boxing. We have a separate how to use your TentBox Classic video, which goes through opening, closing and caring for your tent box with a few handy tips, so please feel free to watch this.
And if you need anything at all, reach out to our friendly team.